Alright, today I'll be showing you how to give your dog a bath. This here is Finley. And we'll just get started real quick. Alright, before you get started, you want to make sure you have the proper supplies. You'll want a water source over here, a shampoo of some sort, a brush or like scrubbing device, and then a conditioner and a towel. So you want to start off by rinsing them off as so, and just get them all wet and rinsed off. After you get done getting them wet and rinsing them off, you want to get your towel a little wet or damp, and then get some of your soap on it, and then just start scrubbing him down, starting to get him clean. Make sure you get under his legs and under his body and all around. You can also use a different type of scrub brush to get down deeper in his hair if he has longer hair or something. It just might work a little better. Alright, so sometimes he'll start to get a little, or your dog will start to get a little dry, like his tail right here, and you'll need to rinse it off again. And then get a little more soap. And then just get your brush and just brush it out again, because they will dry off if you take a little longer. Alright, so now we're going to start the process of washing him off. And you'll just get the brush close, or the water close, and just rinse him off completely until all the soap's off and his hair is smooth and clean. Now we're going to start with the head, and you'll want to cover his eyes so he doesn't get water in there, and try not to spray in his nose or ears. Here, get back. Come on. Come on. Like that. Now, we'll grab the soap. Here, get that. And we'll get it on him. And then get your brush or towel and start to rub it in. And get under his head, under his chin. Real good until it's all rubbed in and under the hair. And then you can get the rinser back out of the sprayer. Get back in there. Go. And then rinse them off completely. Alright, so now that we got them all rinsed off and clean with the shampoo, if you have a long-haired dog, it's good to use conditioner. So I guess we'll just get started with that. You can get it all over him nice and well. On his neck, and his legs, and under his body. And then spray a little on your rag. And then just start rubbing it in nice and good. So it's all soaked in. So after you get all the conditioner rubbed in, you're going to want to grab your sprayer again and rinse them off real well and completely to where none of it's left in his hair or fur. Thing you do is keep your dog's hygiene well is get these ear wipes. You can just pull one out, and then if you open up his ears, you can get the inside of there well. You can just help him keep them clean. Just make sure you get all around the little bumps and ridges. Okay, so you can also get these dental wipes to help keep their teeth clean. And you just take them, and you lift up his lips, and then scrub his teeth. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. So now you want to get your vacuum or your towel or whatever you use to dry off your dog and turn it on. And make sure you get it nice and clean and dry. Also, while you're drying off your dog, you can brush him to help move his hair around and get all the wet spots out like here. And then just go all up and down and under and make sure he's nice and dry. Alright, now that you're done doing all the steps, you can go ahead and unhook him, hook him up to the leash, and then take him home.